So guys, this part I really, guys, I prefer, please, it's better to not do this part, guys. So yeah, it's I request you guys to please skip this part, okay? So I'm really sorry, okay? So you can just skip the code as well. I will tell you which code you have to skip. All right, guys. Here you can see this parameter option. You can do simple step, a walk step. Yeah, we'll just go with simple step over here. If you want, you can put another label like distance and stuff. So yeah, maybe fine. Let's go with the distance as well. Fine, okay. For that we'll have to put another label. We are wasting lots of time on designing, so I'll just pause the video. So guys, I thought we'll just leave the distance, guys. Okay. I hope like you don't mind. You guys don't mind. So I'll just leave that. Fine. Okay. Here, where's that label? Um. Yeah. Fine. Just a second. So yeah. Back. We are in steps arrangement. Label one. Say label one dot. Where's this text? Yeah. Set label one dot text to uh get simple steps. Yeah, get simple steps over here. And next what you'll have to do is when we click on which is that, this is the yeah, menu button. Okay, just forgot about that. And you click on the, we click on this where's the star, this is the stop button, right? So let me just have a look, okay, so that just don't get confused over here. Oh no, not the button. The whole arrangement visible to false, the steps arrangement visible to true. Yeah, this is the button one, this is button two. Continue with both sessions. Okay, fine. Yeah, here go to blocks. When we click on start button, okay. When we click on the start button, what it should do, pedometer, um it should start counting. Yeah, okay, it should start counting. When you click on the start button, we'll duplicate it. We'll just scroll down a bit. When you click on the stop button, the pedometer, where is the speedometer? Oh no. Yeah, here. This pedometer should stop counting over here. Okay. So yeah, just come back in a minute. Yeah, I'm back. Okay. So when we click on the start button, we'll have to sound vibrate. Which will just make it as 100 milliseconds. Okay. Um. Oh, okay, fine. The text one. So we'll have to put math. This one. Yeah, it works. So I'll keep it as, oh, what's happening? Oh no, I don't know what's happening over here. Okay, fine. What I'll do is I'll just go to text. I'll go to this. Oh, okay. So I'll just come back in a minute, guys. So I'm back. There was just a simple there was just a glitch, guys. Okay, here, sorry, not this one, text. No, let's first type over here and let's see. This was not coming before. 100. I hope it works like this. Yeah, fine, good. So sorry, it should come when we stop the pedometer, not when we start. If okay, fine, it's better to put it when we stop. Okay, so that like it's kind of thingy. Okay, so now here this button is the um button number 3. Okay, fine. We will just like duplicate this button 3 uh pedometer. Oh no, yeah, like this, fine. Okay, pedometer, I'll put this, I'll delete this. uh the pedometer should reset, right? Where is this? Yeah, fine. Pedometer dot reset. So okay, fine, what I'll do is I'll just put it at the top. Yeah, now I'll have okay, fine. When it will reset, we'll have to go to tinydb1, store value tag. I'll just duplicate this. So let's keep the tag as 100 itself. Okay, value to store will be our counting one, steps arrangement. Yeah, this label one dot text. Okay, it should store the label one dot text, and not just that, it should okay, we'll have to do like when we click on any button, it will be stored in the tinydb and stuff. No, not it will not be stored, like it should be the value, get value, we'll have to do that. So to do that get value, what we'll do is we'll put another button. So I'll just pause the video. Actually guys, there was no need to put any button actually. So yeah, set list view one elements to call tinydb1 get value tag 100 tag. Yeah, that's it. That's what I did in the pause timing. Okay, this is what I did. So yeah, so this one is done, and what we'll do is notifier one, notifier 1 show alert. I'll just scroll down a bit. Yeah, here yeah, after this notice um so I'll type and I will resume the video guys. So what I had typed was uh pedometer reset successfully, click on steps button to view your steps. So that's what I did. So here it's not coming, but when we'll do the notifier, yeah, here I'll just show you the notifier. Yeah, it's long. Sorry guys. Yeah, it's a very long one, so it just has put some dots over there. Yeah, that's it guys, we are done with the reset button. So now we will do the same thing with the button, the start button and the stop button. So what we should do is yeah, notifier 1 show message dialog. So yeah, again guys, I'll just pause the video and I will resume it. So yeah, when you click on the stop button, it should say notifier 1 should say message will be your steps are not being counted from now, and the title will be saying your steps are not being counted, and the button text will be okay. The same with the start button, what it will say is not, instead of not, there is nothing. Okay, your steps are being counted from now, your steps are being counted, button text will be okay. So So that's pretty much it. So we just have to put one more small thing, which is this steps arrangement here. This label one, set label one dot text to here. I'll just put this. Oh no! Come on. Yes, done. So this set label one dot text to empty. So yeah, that's it. So now I'll just now yeah, here I'll so we'll go, let it load and save. So guys, our app, I have downloaded it. So yeah, so now what we'll do is we'll start counting. Yeah, okay, so it's counting in decimals, as you can see here. So it's counting in decimals. For some it will count in decimals, for some devices it will count like without decimals. So now let's stop counting. Okay, um, so yeah, it vibrates. So it just it does not count. So when you reset it, oh, what's that? Okay, fine. Pedometer reset successfully. Why is it not changing the string to the text label to 0? What's this? Operation 13.8. Yeah, as it came in decimals, it's not coming. So it does not, it's not working on this device properly. So yeah, so the problem is not with the code or with the app. The problem is with the device. So yes guys, that's it for this coding video. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to meet you in my next video.